LED strip lights with silicone housing from Buyers Products are an extremely versatile lighting solution. Use them to line trailers or work fans, or to light up tight, hard-to-reach areas like truck compartments and toolboxes. The strip lights feature long-lasting silicone housing that's rated IP68 for extreme dust and water resistance. Strip lights are available in a variety of colors and lengths to suit your needs. Each strip has a blunt cut connection on either end and can be cut to length every 3 LEDs. 3M adhesive backing, end caps, and mounting brackets make mounting easy. The lights are backed with a 5-year warranty. Thanks for checking out the LED strip lights from Buyers Products. Visit buyersproducts.com for more information, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to the Buyers Products YouTube channel for more.